Srimannarayana, 14th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Tataha savismayavishto hrushtaroma dhananjaya pranamya sirasa devam krutanjalihi abhashata Om. When you perceive the entire cosmos with all wonders and marvels in a very, very tiny part of Visvarupam of Sri Krishna Paramatma, you should spontaneously bow your head. You should get all your hair stand on the end. Your hands, palms comes together and bow your head and do namaskaram with all kind of wonder and amazement in your heart. Whenever you get to see Sri Krishna Paramatma, you have to feel that entire cosmos presence in Krishna Paramatma's divine physique. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, please help me perceive this entire cosmos with all wonders and marvels in your divine Visvarupam. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, please help me spontaneously feel that amazement and wonder whenever I get to see your Murti, and I should completely involve in your divine presence. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 166th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra. saying that, "Oh Parikshit Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma, who is the Supreme, who is the Lord of all the Lords of all the worlds, but he is acting, pretending like an innocent boy in Nandavraj, and he is in control of all the Gopikas and Gopalas, giving them the highest great amount of happiness, joy. And when Gopikas ask him to sing, he used to sing so loudly. Chudannerani vani bhangi janulan chuchun. Sometimes he used to see all the people as if he doesn't know anyone. But he looks at everyone as if he is talking to everyone. And whatever all the Gopikas tells, any work, he used to do according to their orders. Bibharti kvachit agnyaptaha pithaka unmana padukam bahukshepancha kurute swanancha priti mavahan. If Gopikas asks him to bring pots, he used to bring. Pedestals he used to bring. Even if they ask him to bring their own shoes, slippers, yes, Krishna is to carry them. Nagun baluran gudun peddala pampu cheyanchanun dagun matti jittaduchun. He used to play with all the small boys while laughing, smiling, dancing and singing. And he used to sometimes hide behind the doors. He used to play with mud. And whatever elderly people says, as if he is such a good man, good person, good boy, he used to do all those things. Sometimes if anyone asks him to bring anything, Krishna used to go all the way to that object and he pretends there while standing innocently thinking, saying that, I cannot carry it, I cannot take this weight. Like that, he used to look at the people very innocently. Sometimes when there are crowd of people, he used to show them his muscles, saying that I am so strong. Like that he used to give poses, postures. Like that, Paramatma in the form of Krishna giving Brahmanandam to all those Gopikas, Gopalas in Nandavraj. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala Krishno Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, 14th sloka. Tatassa Vismaya Vishtaha Hristaroma Dhananjayaha Pranamya Sirasa Devam Krutanjalirabhashata. Tatassa Vismaya Vishtaha Hristaroma Dhananjayaha Pranamya Sirasa Devam Krutanjalirabhashata. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.